Namaste children, I hope you all are fine. We are going to see a third sum from exercise 11.3 from the lesson perimeter and area. The question is, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, here perimeter of the circular sheet is given, we have to find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. Both we have to find radius of the circular sheet and area of the circular sheet. Here circumference value is given. That means perimeter value is given. From that we can find first radius. Then after finding radius we can find area of the circular sheet. Here in the question itself they asked us to take pi as 22/7. Here the circumference value of the circular sheet is 154 meter and we know the formula for circumference of the circle. It is nothing but what? 2 pi r. We can equate this formula with 154. Why? Because this is the value of the circumference of the circular sheet and this is the formula for circumference of the circle. So I have equated here. Now we have to substitute pi as 22/7. R is unknown. We have to find R. Now we can keep R alone in the left side. Remaining we can bring it in the right side. 154 into, while we are bringing the 7 in the right side, we should write in numerator. Because left side it is in denominator. That means divide. Next both are in product. We have to bring both 2 and 22 in denominator. Divide. Now we can simplify. 1 2 is 2 and here 7 2s are 14. Carry 1, 7 2s are 14. And this 77 and 22 both are multiples of 11. So I am going to divide both the number by 11 table. 2 11s are 22 and here 7 11s are 77. So radius is equal to 7 into 7 by 2. It is nothing but 49/2. 49/2, it's nothing but what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, remainder 1, can add 1 0, 5 2s are 10. Therefore, radius of the circular sheet is 24.5 meter. So, radius of the circular sheet is 24.5 meter. I hope you understood how I brought the answer. Here I have got 49/2 and I have written answer in decimal form. While dividing 49/2, we will get answer 24.5. So, radius of the circular sheet is 24.5 meter. Next, which one also we have to find? Area. Area of the circular sheet. Formula for area of the circle is S pi r square, square units. Instead of pi, we should take 22/7 because in the question itself that is given. And instead of r, you can substitute 49/2. Why I ask you to substitute 49/2 means if you write in fractional form, it's very easy to cancel. Then finally we can simplify. So r square is nothing but 49/2 into 49/2. Now we can simplify. When 7 is 7 and here 7 7s are 49. Then you can cancel this 2 and 22. 1 2 is 2. 11 2s are 22. Hereafter can we cancel anything? No, we can't cancel. We cannot cancel anything. Just multiply numerators with numerator. Then we have to divide the numerator value by the denominator number 2. Here we have to multiply 11 with the 7. Then we have to multiply with the 49. Finally we can divide by 2. 11 7s are 77. 77 into 49/2. If we multiply 77 with the 49, we have got 3773. 3773/2. Now we have to divide this one by 2. 3773/2. So 3773/2. While we are dividing, we have got 1886.5. Because in 3 only 1 2 is there. Remainder 1. next digit 7, so 17 we have. In 17, 8 2s are there, 8 2s are 16, remainder 1, again next digit 7, 17, 8 2s are 16, remainder 1, next digit 3, 13, 6 2s are 12, remainder 1. Then here there is no digit, so to add 0, here we should keep decimal point. So now we have 10, how many 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, remainder 0. So finally we have got area of the circular sheet value 1886.5 meters square. This is the value for area of the circular sheet. I hope you understood. The same model I will give you worksheet. Complete the worksheet. Thank you.